When Disneyland introduced its newest monorail, which is the D23 Mark 7, I saw it and I said I had to have one. So I went ahead and bought it, brought it home, set the whole thing up, turned it on, and what a disappointment. The remote control offered one speed going forward, one speed going back. It was the slowest monorail I had ever seen. The sound button you had to hit every single time to make an announcement. What was such a great looking monorail really lacked in performance and speed. So this weekend, I started from the ground up and installed our Losi electronic speed control system in this monorail, and I'm going to show you the performance of what a Losi system can do. First, I want to show you all the parts that I removed from the engine. This is the gearbox, all the gears and whatnot. These are wires and things. Over here is the original soundboard that has an IR sensor that gives you a range of less than 8 feet with the remote control. After removing everything, I went ahead and replaced the gearbox with a Mark 6 original gearbox. This is a 7.4 high-speed motor. Next, I installed, again, this is a Mark 6 soundboard that has the original Walt Disney World announcements. We were not able to use the original Disneyland soundboard. It was just not compatible with our setup. Next, we went ahead and installed a Losi DSM receiver, and that's a Thunder Power 350 milliamp rechargeable LiPo battery. The only part that is missing that is already installed in the engine is the MK6 circuit board, which is manufactured by Monorail Silver. And this circuit board is what makes all of this possible. And as you can see, we have the Losi transmitter, and that controls everything. That gives you a range of more than 50 feet. You can be anywhere in the house and your train is still going to work. So now I'm going to put the train on the track and show you exactly what happens. When using the Losi electronic speed control with the gun, the first thing you want to do is to turn the gun on, and then you turn the engine on. Now with this gun, I'm able to control the headlights on and off, the sound.
Please stay clear of the doors. On behalf of the cast of the Walt Disney World Resort, welcome to the Magic Kingdom. No smoking, please.
And as you can notice, there is now a new beacon light on top of the engine. And that's pretty realistic. And now I'm going to show you what kind of speed you can get with this. Using the trigger, we can go forward at a very high speed, stop, and go backwards. That's pretty fast. We can also slow it down, stop it, make it go backwards. So it has variable speed control. Once again, I want to show you the lights can go off, lights can go on. The sound is now off, sound is now on.
On behalf of the cast of the Walt Disney World Resort, welcome to the Magic Kingdom. No smoking, please.
Another feature
Hold on to the handrail.
of the Losi transmitter, wait until it gets into focus here, is you can now turn and have a hands-free auto drive and this will give you approximately 30 to 45 minutes of running time in between battery charges. Now the 350 milliamp Thunder Power battery will recharge in approximately 20 minutes. But this is a very nice feature. This is actually much faster than the original Disneyland remote control when you turn it on for forward, and it can also go in reverse. Once again, my name is Tom Johnson, and I sell these Losi controlled monorail systems on eBay. My seller ID is Abby Silver, and you can also find more information in my eBay store, which is the Monorail store, and more. If you have any questions, please send me an email. We'd be more than happy to answer any and all of your questions. And once again, I'd like to say thank you for taking a look at this video and enjoy the speed.